Bingo Cash is a real money skill game from Papaya Gaming, and its US App Store listing currently shows a 4.7-star rating from more than 341,000 ratings. That makes it a legitimate app, but it does not mean every player will make money. I am under one nail storn. By the end, you'll know how Bingo Cash actually makes money, how withdrawals work, and the biggest detail you need to understand before depositing anything. Bingo Cash is built around skill-based bingo tournaments rather than simply giving you cash for watching ads or completing surveys. The official listing says players can enter single-player and multiplayer tournaments, with different levels offering different payouts. Or App Store one dial. The app also offers unlimited free games, which gives you a way to learn the gameplay before putting money into cash tournaments. That is the safest place to start if you're testing the app for the first time. All App Store 1. Here's where the money side gets more complicated. Bingo Cash has real money tournaments, but it also uses bonus cash. The developer explains that bonus cash can be used to enter real money tournaments or purchase card packs, but bonus cash itself cannot be withdrawn. The developer also says that bonus cash available in your balance resets when you submit a withdrawal request. App Store 2. That means you should not look at your entire in-game balance and assume all of it is cash you can send to PayPal. For US players, the current App Store listing says withdrawals can use PayPal, Venmo, Apple Pay, or a credit card, although availability depends on location. The same listing says cash tournaments are unavailable in Iowa, while Arizona, Louisiana, and Maine have tournaments played solely for bonus cash. App Store 1-1. User reviews also show why you should check the withdrawal rules before depositing. Some players report successful PayPal withdrawals, while others complain about deposits, fees, or confusion around balances. Those reviews are individual experiences, so they should not be treated as proof that every player will have the same result. 1-1. So, is Bingo Cash legit in 2026? Yes, the app itself is legitimate, and it offers real money tournaments and supported withdrawal methods. But Bingo Cash is not guaranteed income. Your result depends on tournament performance, the rules of the specific game, your location, and whether you are using withdrawable cash or bonus cash. The practical move is to play the free games first, read the current withdrawal rules for your location, and avoid depositing money until you understand exactly which balance can be withdrawn. Bingo Cash is legitimate, but legitimate does not mean profitable for everyone. If this answered your question, like the video and subscribe for more honest app reviews and payment tests.